Dotting tool is a magical nail tool that you can use when doing nail art. In today's video, I will show you 5 different ways you can use a dotting tool. Sit back and enjoy today's video. I'm going to start off by showing you a very easy pattern that you can do with your dotting tool. When it comes to what color you want to use as a base on your nail, you can choose any color you want. I'll start by applying small dots all over the nail and then cure the nail. Then I'll choose a color that is compatible with my first color and apply small dots just above the first dots I've applied. Then you cure the nail and finish with top coat or matte top coat. You choose which one you want. On nail number 2, we will create a pattern that gives an illusion. I have chosen to use the color black as my second color, and after I have painted half the nail in the color black, I apply black dots in the middle of the nail, and then I apply dots on the pink part of the nail. After that, I take the pink color and apply pink dots on the part I have painted the color black on the nail. It certainly turned out cool, or what do you think? Did you know that you can also make flowers using a dotting tool? In nail design number 3, I will show you how you can easily make flowers. I have chosen to use the color white to match the base color I have on the nail. When I am finished, I cure the nail for 60 seconds. For the final step, I will apply top coat on the design. Now we have come to nail design number 4, and here I thought of making a pattern that resembles a rainbow with different colors. But using a dotting tool to create the pattern? I think you can create so many different patterns with a dotting tool. What do you think? If you would like to see more nail designs created with a dotting tool, please leave a comment in the comments field. Now, we have come to the last nail of the day. Here, I thought we could make a pattern by printing the letter L, but we used different colors to create a cool pattern. Choose which colors you want, and then just start making dots on the nail. Just have fun with the colors and dotting tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked today's video. Take care, and bye for now.